हेलो फ्रेंड, स्टैंडर्ड 11 में चैप्टर नंबर 7 रनिंग आज नया चैप्टर शुरू होने जा रहा है। तो रनिंग, जंपिंग, थ्रोइंग, क्लाइंबिंग, ascending, descending are the natural activity of human being. These activities are connected with human life. These activities are natural for them. According to the time, there was a change in these activities, and they were converted in the competition from the measurement, assessment, and development. The main aim of organizing the competition is to gain enjoyment, development of quality for adventure and development of body. These are different types of running competition, but in ancient and modern Olympic, the special importance was given to these activities. Due to this, these activities are conducted at different level. Now, athletic activities have gained leading position in international competition. Long running, cross country, and hurdle running are included in 11th standard syllabus. Let's get detail regarding running. First, long distance running, 3000 meters. So long distance running required lot of endurance, in which 5000 meters and 10,000 meters running are included, but keeping in mind the age and capacity of standard 11 student, 3000 meter run is shown as long distance running. Body of long distance runners should be thin and fit. They should have also determination and self-confidence. Following are the information regarding 3000 meter long running. Mainly three aspects: start, running stride, and finish. So first, start. Generally, in long distance running, standing start is being taken. In this start, runner will keep suitable distance between two legs, keep strong leg behind the starting line, and more weight should be on the front leg. Both the hands are kept in running position. The body is lean forward, keeping the balance of body. The eye should be in the direction of the lane in natural position. Keeping mind alert. As soon as sound of clapper or a pistol will be heard, the runner will be start running. Second skill is running stride. Running stride are divided in the three parts: starting, transitional stride, and speedy stride. So first, starting stride. In the beginning of the race, stride should be short and fast. Second, transitional stride. These strides are similar in the nature with the short and middle distance running stride. During each stride, distance between the stride increase, and leering position of the body is decreasing. Third, speedy stride. In long distance running, speedy stride should be taken by using less energy. Muscles should be relaxed. Stride should be rhythmical. While running, following thing should be kept in mind. Trunk should be bent forward between 5 to 9 degree angle. The speed of the movement of the hands in less than middle distance running and their shoving is lower than the shoulder level. Hand should be bent at 90 angle. Action of hand trunk should be such that runner can be breathy easily. The length of the stride of shorter than middle distance running. Rhythm and speed of stride should be continuous. The third skill है skip finish. In the long distance 3000 meter running, players spend their total energy to cross the finish line. This distance is more or less according to the running distance. How much distance player run at the maximum speed spent upon the fitness, energy and courage of the players. The strides in the long distance running is comparatively shorter than the short distance running because most of the energy has been spent during starting distance. Technique of finish line of the long distance is as per the technique of the short distance running. The athlete should adopt the most convenient technique to gain maximum advantage while crossing the finish line. Athletes can select any one of the following three styles. First, run through finish. Second, lunge finish. And third, turn finish. So first, the run through finish. In this technique, the finish line is crossed with the full speed by the athlete. Second, the lunge finish. In the technique of the athlete bend his torso towards the finish line in the last stride. While doing so, he touches the imaginary line as shown in the figures. Third, the turn finish. In the technique of the athlete bend his right or left shoulder so that he crosses the finish line at full speed. Rules. First है, while taking start, an athlete shall not touch either the start line or the ground in front of it with his hands or his feet. Second, the athlete should start running with the fire of pistol or the sound of clapper. If anyone of start running before the sound, he will be given foul start. Third, any athletes who is responsible for the false start shall be disqualified. Fourth, competitors shall cross the finish line with torso. Fifth, athletes shall wear the visible number on the chest and back. Sixth, once an athlete leaves the track during the competition, he shall not be allowed in participate in the race. 7. Doping is strictly forbidden, and if any athletes do so, will be disqualified. 8. Any athletes during the race want to overtake the other athletes, he should do from his right side. 9. 3 official timekeepers shall keep the time. Winner of the every event, when all the 3 watches do not show same time, the following procedure will be adopted. If all 3 timekeepers disagree, the middle time shall be official. If 2 of the 3 watches agree and the third disagrees, the time recorded by the 2 shall be the official time. If only 2 times be available and if they differ, the longer time shall be official. तो यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने आज रनिंग में इंट्रोडक्शन लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनिंग जिसमें 3000, 5000, 10,000 मीटर आता है। यहाँ पर 3000 मीटर के बारे में आज हम लोग समझ रहे हैं। इसकी स्किल में आता है स्टार्ट, रनिंग स्ट्राइड और फिनिश। स्टार्ट के भी बारे में बताया हम लोगों ने, फिर रनिंग स्ट्राइड्स के बारे में, और फिनिश के भी 3 टाइप्स बताए हमने, रन थ्रू फिनिश, लंज फिनिश और टर्न फिनिश, और इसके रूल्स भी बताए। तो यहाँ तक है, कल नेक्स्ट पार्ट में दूसरा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।